Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be packing for a road trip, so let's go. The first thing I'll be needing is my backpack, of course. So let's pack. First of all, I'm gonna choose a perfume to take. I'll take this one. It literally smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. So yeah, I'm gonna take this. So for deodorant spray that I'm gonna be using is this Adidas one. It's literally so good. Yes, I am matching. Then I'll be packing my makeup stuff later, so I'll be taking this one. Actually, I'm gonna take the small one, but I'm gonna clean it, obviously. But I have to take this because, like, I use it all the time. And this perfume has, like, a little bit left, so I just want to finish it. And I'm taking that one, too. Okay, now I'm gonna pack some makeup stuff. Let me turn on my vanity. So, I'm gonna take this, probably. You know, it looks like really big. I can put stuff in it, obviously. Anyway. So, I'm back. My mom called me. Anyway, I'm taking all of these brushes, obviously. And also, look at this. It's so cute. And I'm taking all this stuff. It's in here. Wow, great. My room's gonna be so messy after this. Who cares? It's for the video. Okay, got it. Now, obviously I'll need that. He stole my laptop stick. Don't tell her, please. You just spend obviously foundation. And I'm gonna need some more stuff. I'm gonna be needing these palettes. Also, I'll be taking some jewelry. Let me... Yes. So nice. basically. Favorite ones and this. Focus, please. Okay. No one cares. A matching ring for the blue necklace. For the bracelets, I'm gonna have this pink one. I love pink stuff, so don't come at me. I just love pink. So shut up. I'm not trying to be rude, but I just love pink. That's so. Also, I'm gonna take some blue ones. Like these. A pearl one with a little starfish on it. It's so cute. And basically, I'm gonna take that one too. For earrings, I'm gonna take this diamond one. Can't really see it, but yeah, it's a diamond one. And then I'm gonna take these two. This is normal, basically. Yeah, that's it for jewelry. Hair stuff. Wait. No, not those. No. Yes. I'm gonna take this scrunchie. This scrunchie too. And this white scrunchie. And maybe this green one. I don't know. And I'm gonna take matching hair ties with them. For the white one, I don't have a white hair tie, so I'm gonna take this pink one. And this one. Green. Where is it? Okay, found it. I like putting my hair in like buns, so space buns. So I'm gonna take some little hair ties. Yeah, I'm gonna pack those and be right back. So I packed all of these scrunchies and hair ties in here, and all the jewelry stuff in here. Okay, I'm back with more stuff. Yeah, you did not see that. I'll be taking some. I'm gonna be putting my headphones in here and my charger, but I need it for now. And then hand sanitizer, a little, journal because I use it, and my wallet. Also, I will be taking my iPad. So now I'm gonna put everything in my bag. First of all, I need to take this for now because I'll be needing it tomorrow morning. I'll put this here. Actually, I forgot to clean that. I'm so sorry. I literally forget everything. I'm just leaving all this on the side of where I want to put everything. This goes here. for sure. And then we'll need the smaller one. So yeah, that's good. I literally realized I was packing all the wrong stuff. So now I have to unpack and then pack again, I guess. All of those will be going in my suitcase. Yeah. And the other stuff that I'm going to pack right now will be going on this. Also, I don't know if I should take my laptop or not, so I'll think about that, but I will need, oh my god, my headphone, my charger, which is just gonna be there for now because I'll be charging all my stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in here. Yeah. Right there. So I'll be wearing this sweatshirt and probably this crop top and some comfy leggings or sweats, I guess. You know, who wants to look fancy on a road trip? I know, right? Anyway, let's clean my room now. Can't see anything. Also, I'm gonna be putting most of my stuff in here. It's a little bag for my actual suitcase, so yeah. Yeah, I also realized I could put these in here. So my actual backpack doesn't have to carry all this stuff, which is really helpful. I'm gonna put these in here. Okay. Next is definitely this. But I keep on saying I need that, and then I put it in a bag. Like, what? Anyway. Now, those. This one. Hold up. What was I gonna bring? Oh. This. And this. Yeah, also got some moisturizer again. I use so many moisturizers. It's like crazy amount of moisturizers I use. Actually, let's just like bring that. You know, I packed so much. Yeah, I'll need my sunglasses. I'll also need my reading glasses too. So yeah, I'll unpack these real quick. Yep, it's in there. Oh my god. Do I actually need this? No. Am I overpacking? Yes, I am. I'm never gonna use that, so I'm not gonna bring it at all. Anyway, I'll need my brush and a big brush too. So these are going in there. Yeah, like, oh my god. Yes, that's way better. And this is going in my backpack. Again, am I overpacking? Yes, I am. Am I putting in the stuff that I am going to use? No. Anyway. I only have to put my clothes in there, but you know, mom's gotta make decisions about what I should take and shouldn't take. Yeah, I know. My mom still does make decisions for me, whether I should wear something or shouldn't. So it's not my fault. Also, I'm sorry my shirt is yellow. I got this new bedding and like it gives color. Like I don't even know why, but it just does. Like all my white clothes are like yellow now, and I'm very disappointed in the quality, but it's really good after all. I realized I talk a lot more than usual, so I guess that's a good sign.